each and everyone present today. It has been an honor to serve as an SSLG president here in Misamis Annex Integrated School. Today, I officially hand over my duties to our new set of leaders. May you lead with dedication, honesty, and heart. Continue what we've started and aim for even greater achievements. Congratulations and good luck. Mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino.
A pleasant morning, especially to our respected school principal, Attorney Charles June C. Navales, Sir Dave Manili, Head Teacher 2, and our ever supportive teachers, classmates, and fellow student leaders. I am truly honored to accept this role as part of the Supreme Secondary Learner Government. Thank you for the trust and confidence you have given me. I may be young, but I am ready to listen, learn, and lead with heart. Together with my fellow officers, we will do our best to serve and represent every learner in our school. Thank you and long live the student leaders of Misamis Annex Integrated